Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Mercusys Halo AC1300 mesh Wi-Fi system. The Mercusys Halo AC1300 is a simple mesh Wi-Fi system that covers your entire home under one network name and password. With dual band speeds up to 1.3 gigabits per second, seamless roaming, and easy app control, it gives fast, stable internet everywhere. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will unbox the Mercusys Halo AC1300 Mesh Wi-Fi System box. Inside the box of the Mercusys Halo AC1300 Mesh Wi-Fi System, you'll find 3 Halo H30G mesh units, a single Ethernet cable for connecting the main unit to your modem, 3 power adapters, 1 for each unit, and a handy quick installation guide to get you started fast. First of all, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search and install Mercusys app. Connect one Halo unit, usually marked as main, to your modem using the Ethernet cable included. Plug it into a power outlet and wait until the LED flashes blue, ready for setup. Find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the label of the Halo unit. Connect your phone to that Wi-Fi. Launch the app and create a Mercusys ID or log in. Tap Setup and follow the guided setup process. It will detect the Halo unit. Choose your internet connection type, dynamic IP, PPPoE, static. If unsure, select dynamic IP or check with your ISP. Set your Wi-Fi network name and password. Plug in other Halo units in different rooms, but keep them within range. Wait for the LED to turn solid blue, auto-connected. You can manage them in the app under Devices or Network Map. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.